If you can't focus for 10 minutes, your brain might be addicted. Constant scrolling and notifications are destroying our ability to think clearly. Dopamine is your brain's reward system. It's meant to drive survival, not mindless clicks. Signs of overload? Low motivation, brain fog, and feeling tired but wired all day. This constant overstimulation leads directly to anxiety, stress, and total burnout. The solution is a dopamine detox. It's not about isolation, it's about resetting your baseline. Step 1. Drastically reduce social media time. Put the phone in another room. Reset with cold showers or high-intensity exercise to trigger a natural reset. Practice deep work sessions. No distractions, just pure focus for 60 minutes. Fix your sleep habits and practice mindful breathing to calm your nervous system. After 7 days, the fog lifts. Your motivation returns, and life feels vivid again. Try this for just 3 days and tell me what changes in the comments. Subscribe for more ways to fix your brain. I'll see you in the next one.